Today is May 5th, 2014, and it's about 4:30 in the afternoon, and we have finished the laminate floor installation in this beautiful condo. Took us one day, 700 square feet, as you could see. The tape is there to hold down to reduce it till tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be taking the tape off, and this is the beautiful laminate installation in a condo. It turned out great. Flawless, and it makes such a big difference as opposed to that dark red color it had before. So give us a call today, Royal Wood Flooring, 602-446-2613. Here we're located here in Phoenix, Arizona, or you can find us online, www.royalwoodflooring.com. And we can do just about anything and everything with laminate, engineered, and hardwood floors. So we could also sand, stain, and refinish wood floors. That's our main profession. You'll be very happy with our services. Give us a call today. You can have your flooring condos transformed within a day. You could install up to about 1,000 to 1,500 square feet a day of either laminate, vinyl, or engineered. Thank you so much for your business. Have a great day.